Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Week Ahead. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Last week we had analyzed four stocks: Aurobindo Pharma, Coal India, ONGC, and Z Limited. If you have missed watching the previous video, I'm leaving a link right here so you can watch it. Today we will be reviewing those stocks and we will be talking about furthermore stocks for the coming week. What you see right now is Aurobindo Pharma. I had given two scenarios. If the stock breaks down from these levels, we might see a fall. But if these levels are taken out, I expected Aurobindo Pharma to test these levels somewhere around here. That's what happened. If you see this candle, the stock started moving up and it tested the exact zones which we spoke of. So the next stock we spoke about was Coal India. If these levels were taken out, I expected a move on the upside to these levels or a move downside where there might be a breakdown. But if you see, it was still a range bound stock and it has a great support at these levels here. If this is taken down, I am expecting Coal India to fall further. But on closing basis, if the prices are above 126, I may expect this stock to move upside. We also looked at ONGC. ONGC, I told, is completely range bound, and even this week the stock has seen a range. There is no breakout or breakdown in the stock. I still have an open view on ONGC. I will be talking about it during the second half of the video. Z Limited also is still a range bound stock. If you see, the prices did not move above this nor did they fall below this. I still have an analysis on this which we will be covering during the second half of this video. So I hope you understood why analysis is important. Aurobindo Pharma tested the exact levels that we spoke of, but the others were still range bound. I will wait for the range break to take any positions. All of this analysis is for education purposes only. I do not recommend anyone taking positions, mainly because these are my views and market conditions may vary during the week. Prices may see any kind of drastic change as well. So just try to enjoy this video, look at the analysis and try to learn how I look at stocks. Now let's talk about the coming week, what I'm expecting and which are the four stocks I'm looking at. Two of the stocks, that is ONGC and Z Limited, are still part of the list and I'm still expecting a breakout or breakdown on them. So let's get to the analysis. So the first stock I want to talk about is L&T. So L&T, if you see, is a range bound stock right now. It is trading in these ranges. I have two kind of expectations from this. If the range is broken on the downside, I'm expecting L&T to fall to at least these levels somewhere around here. If those levels are also taken out, I might see a fall to another level, let's say somewhere around here. But at the same time, if there is any upside to the stock about these levels on closing basis, I'm expecting the stock to test 950 levels. So L&T, I have open view on both the sides. It's range bound. So the next stock is M&M. On Friday's trading session, the previous 52-week high was taken out and the stock created a new 52-week high. I'm expecting if there is any break on the top side above these levels, there might be more upside to this stock. But I'm also expecting that during the week, the stock may see some kind of upside or come back, test the previous range and then see a upside in the stock. The downside potential to this is if the stock is below these levels, it might consolidate or fall from these levels but test these zones, which I do not expect will happen. I am trying to be on the buy side of M&M mainly because it created a new 52-week high. The next stock that I want to talk about is ONGC. ONGC was a part of our analysis last week. This stock is still range bound completely. So the levels are very important. I'll draw them on screen for you guys. If these levels are taken out on closing basis, I'm expecting the stock to go to these levels somewhere around here. But if on closing basis, these levels are taken out, what I mean by closing basis is the prices should close below these levels at the end of the day. I'm expecting anywhere fall to these levels to 70 or somewhere around this levels. The final stock that we'll be looking at, which was still a part of our analysis last week, Z Limited, is still range bound stock. I want to draw some support and resistance for this stock. So if you see this here, this will be my support and resistance for this stock. If any move below this, I am expecting the stock to test these levels. But if on closing basis these prices are taken out, there might be a big upside to the stock to these levels somewhere around here. So we have looked at different levels for these four stocks. So just keep a watch on these stocks and see how they react. Try to understand why I take levels so seriously and why breakouts and breakdowns are important. If it is range bound, I will wait for any kind of breakout or breakdown to see where it starts moving. Make sure you subscribe to Mostly Bearish if you haven't yet. Do hit the thumbs up icon if you like this video. Do comment your learning from this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.